If you've ever raised your voice at your toddler, if you've ever felt guilty after saying no too harshly, if you've ever thought, why is this so hard? You are not a bad parent. You're human. And toddler discipline? It's one of the hardest parts of parenting because toddlers don't think like adults. They're learning everything for the first time: emotions, limits, rules, even how their own body works. So today, let's talk, parent to parent, about how to discipline toddlers without tears. No yelling, no fear, no punishment that breaks trust, just calm, respectful guidance that actually works. What discipline really means. Here's something no one tells us early enough. Discipline does not mean punishment. Discipline means teaching. Your toddler isn't giving you a hard time. They're having a hard time. When a toddler hits, throws, screams, or refuses to listen, it's not manipulation. It's communication. They don't yet have the brain skills to say, "I'm overwhelmed, I'm tired, I'm frustrated," or "I need help." So behavior becomes their language. Why toddlers melt down so fast? A toddler's brain is still developing. The part of the brain that controls impulse, patience, and reasoning, that part is not ready yet. So when you say, "Wait," "Stop," or "Not now," their brain hears it as, "I can't handle this feeling." That's why discipline has to start with connection, not control. When a toddler feels safe, they listen better. When they feel scared, they fight or shut down. Rule number 1, regulate yourself first. This part is hard, but it changes everything. Before disciplining your toddler, pause and ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? Because a dysregulated adult cannot regulate a dysregulated child. If you're yelling, your child's nervous system hears danger. Instead, take one breath. Lower your voice. Get down to their eye level. Calm is contagious. And yes, it takes practice. Use connection before correction. Before correcting behavior, connect emotionally. Instead of, "Stop crying right now," try, "I see you're really upset." Instead of, "Why are you acting like this?" try, "This is hard for you." Connection doesn't mean allowing bad behavior. It means making your child feel seen. Once a child feels understood, they're more open to guidance. Set clear, simple boundaries. Toddlers need boundaries to feel safe, but boundaries must be simple, consistent, calm. Not long explanations, not threats. Instead of, "If you don't stop, I'm taking everything away," try, "I won't let you hit." Say it calmly, say it firmly. Repeat if needed. Boundaries are not punishments. They are protection. Redirect, don't react. Toddlers have short attention spans. Use that. If your toddler throws toys, blocks are not for throwing, balls are for throwing. If they grab something unsafe, "That's not safe. Let's touch this instead." Redirection works because toddlers learn through movement and play, not lectures. Name the feeling, guide the behavior. This is powerful. When you name emotions, you teach emotional intelligence. Try this formula. I see you feel, I won't let you, you can, instead. Example, I see you're angry, I won't let you hit. You can stomp your feet or ask for help. You're teaching. Feelings are okay, harmful actions are not. That's discipline without tears. Natural consequences over punishment. Punishment teaches fear. Natural consequences teach responsibility. If toys are thrown, the toys are put away now. If food is thrown, mealtime is finished. No yelling, no shaming, just calm cause and effect. This builds understanding, not resentment. Consistency matters more than perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. If today something is allowed and tomorrow it's not, toddlers feel confused. Choose your limits carefully, stick to them calmly, and when you mess up, because you will, repair the relationship. I'm sorry I yelled. I'm learning too. That teaches accountability. Gentle ending, encouragement. If your toddler cries sometimes during discipline, that doesn't mean you failed. Tears are part of learning. But fear, shame, and silence should never be. You're raising a human being, not controlling behavior. Gentle discipline doesn't mean weak parenting. It means strong connection. And if no one has told you this today, you're doing better than you think.